Good morning, gentlemen, ladies. How you all doing? I can see Karthik, Pramod, Shashi. Good morning, good morning, good morning. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Did you get a chance to go through the trade plan I painfully made for all of you last night? There is lots and lots of finer information available in that. If you haven't gone through, please go through and like and share that. Thank you. Who else is here? Let's see. Who else is here? I got messages from three, but there are more people here. Say hello and let's see if I know you are someone new or someone that I already know. How are you, Chandra? Good morning. Thank you, Pramod. Thank you, Shashi, for going through the trade plan. Hari Haran, good morning. I have not seen you before. Which city are you from? Welcome. Sanchita, good morning. Long time no see. Good to see you. Have you all gone through trade plan last night that I made? Lots of finer information and analysis there, much before the event. Good. Let's look at the Gift Nifty right now. Gift Nifty is trading at 463 versus a close of 479 in the, no, sorry, 387. 387 versus close of 463. So that's almost a 70-80 point cut. कल रात को मैंने बोल दिया था कि this candle could be deceptive while trend hasn't changed as yet, but be alert and you may probably be seeing something today. Today, by the way, is the Bank Nifty expiry, so expect volatility. 392 versus 463, 70-80 पॉइंट कम है. ओके. I'm now accepting the sign-ups, interest sign-ups for the seventh um, Go Green 7 batch, but then at this moment it's only an interest sign-up. The date, etc., is still to be planned. I'm enjoying my break. Good morning, Himanshu. Good morning, Sandeep. Hanuman. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, Varnika. Please feel free to forward and share this link, um, interest sign up link just shared above here. So with more networks who intend to learn formally. Otherwise, they will only be blowing away their money without realizing that they are actually gambling and doing nothing. Reopen rates have come 24444. आपको याद होगा, I've been talking about this level 24443. वहीं पे खुल रहा है. It's do or die, make or break. 24443 is a level I've been talking about. It was marked in yellow color, if I remember correctly, even on the daily charts. And yeah, here it is. 24443. You can see it right now, and it's opening exactly at that level. So it's opening in red. The close was at 24476. It's opening at 24443. Some 30 odd points below yesterday's close. Bank Nifty is opening at 51657, 120 points lower. Hmm. If you have gone through the trade plan last night, you will know exactly what I meant, and this is trying to show up now. Let me write the pre-open rates on the Telegram with a good morning message. FIIs have started pulling out. Hmm. Who else is here today? I can see more number of people online than the ones who have. क्या बात है यार? Hello, Hariharan. Which city are you from? Rutvik, good morning. While you respond, here is what we need to do in terms of having a look at the India VIX. India VIX is fairly comfortable, 12.6 approximately. Question is, where does it open and close today? 24444 critical level है. If you look at this candle, it looks like a hammer and sounds very encouraging, but there is more to what meets the eye if you look at Bank Nifty, and not just Bank Nifty of yesterday, but Bank Nifty across last so many days. I explained in the trade plan. Hey Amal, good morning. Prithvi, good morning. Good to see you guys. Yeah, you're right, Karthik. I am expecting volatility today. जान निकलने से पहले फड़फड़ाएगा. 9:12. Can we have a quick like to this stream, please? Can we have a quick like to the stream? And if you have seen the trade plan last night, could you please place a quick like there as well? Quick check. Ravi, are you there? Rekha, Sonal, Visu, Raja, Mahesh, good morning. All right, 9:13. About a minute or minute plus to go live. खुलने के बाद शायद it may make a slight attempt to move up. Let's see. Because if it is opening gap down on intraday basis, it is likely to make an attempt to go up. And if it doesn't, then that's scary. Elite group, we have a call planned at 12, just a soft reminder, internal call. 9:14, few seconds to go. Oh God, it's a dip. And it is on the 3 minute charts. Bank Nifty is definitely weaker. Trying to recover. Nifty is trying to recover. Bank Nifty is still on the lower end of the first 3 minute candle forming. Weakness is written large. It's failing to cover on an immediate basis the gap created. Even if it covers it, the message is clear that there is no immediate strength available. You know what is to be done in that case? It's taking support at the level here, which is S1. Yesterday's S1. But then will that stay or will that give way? First 3 minutes are done. The candle range is defined. Now to see if the Nifty manages to cover the gap it has created in the morning. Bank Nifty has covered the gap already. Some move happening on the upside. Always keep in mind today is Wednesday and Bank Nifty expiry. Support is coming at 40 RSI for both indices. Lacks the strength to go up with conviction. The move is definitely there, lekin abhi tak in the first 4 minutes there is conviction that is missing. What's the situation on daily charts? This is what it is looking like. Okay, 51537 पे सपोर्ट मिल रहा है आपको बैंक निफ्टी को, and Nifty is still managing to stay above 2443, and it's trading at 24450 or something like that. This is the hourly chart. This is the 15 minutes chart in formation right now. There is a buying that has come up from lower levels in both the indices. That means there is a hope to go up, but the strength is missing. Let's see. थोड़ा थोड़ा बन रही है बात अभी. So I expect Nifty to touch 24456 and then 24471. Closely placed levels for the up move. There you go. Nifty is stronger and is trying to now close above the range of the first 3 minutes candle. 5 seconds to go for the second candle. Bank Nifty is still within the range. Nifty has managed to close above while Bank Nifty is now attempting a breakout. But then this is a very feeble up move. Very feeble up move. Unlike the regular days where there is a conviction in the direction, this is showing us a lot of effort is being invested to move up. बहुत मेहनत लग रही है. 76 points captured in Bank Nifty morning trade. Varnika, you are amazing. You are amazing. Very good. I feel so happy when the elite group, the participants of the coaching program make progress, and within the first few minutes, they capture their move and they're done for the day. While there are people who have not learned formally, they sit in front of the terminal whole day and end up losing money. Very good. Shabash. Anyone else who has captured some points? So the first target of 24457 is achieved. Strength missing, as you can see, which was expected. Will it have strength to close above this? Nifty. Bank Nifty is still limiting within the first 3 minutes of the range. There is some hope from Nifty. There is a either Nifty or Bank Nifty. It's only a while before we'll lose the plot. So be careful in your trading. To me, Bank Nifty is looking promising on the downside. And this is just my view. Take your own decisions. I'm not responsible for your profits and losses. You take your own decisions. I'm just giving what I'm interpreting. Anyone else captured some points? Divakar, 70 points in Bank Nifty. Superb. Congratulations. Superb. The beauty is you can just finish your job in the first few minutes of the day if you know how to trade, and is back within the first 3 minutes range, and Bank Nifty never left the range. 13 minutes into the market, and the conviction to go up is missing. Even if it goes up, it is not likely to go up with a lot of strength. There is a resistance here, there is a resistance here, there is a resistance here. So 439, 455, and 471 are three very closely placed resistances for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, the resistances are 838, 893, 52, 52040, बहुत सारे रेजिस्टेंसेस हैं ऊपर. On the early chart, Bank Nifty is finding resistance at 200 EMA. Will it close above that? No idea. Nifty is also just right below the super trend. Too many ifs and buts. Too many ifs and buts. Anyone else has captured some points? Don't keep it confidential, yaar. Share kariye. Red or green, please share. You have captured some point or you have lost some points. It is okay. यहाँ नहीं बताओगे तो कहाँ बताओगे? If you haven't seen my yesterday night trade plan for today, please view that. There are a lot of finer things that I have shared in it on how I analyze the markets and how I make an opinion. आपको उससे काफी सीखने को मिलेगा और फायदा होगा. 9:30 already. The time for the morning trade is over. We are now in the extended time. Strength is going. Acha, anyone who's got a trade running, anyone who's got a trade running, Kenny, you're saying that pyramiding Bank Nifty put. Very good. Whatever works for you. As long as you are in green, it's amazing. Who has a trade that is live right now? Sandeep, you're saying PE running. Oh, amazing. Very good. Karthik Singh taken trade in PE. Perfect. Anyone else who has got the running trade, or if you have captured or lost some points, please share here. I'm placing some alerts. Give me a minute. Bank Nifty finally showing some strength. This would all be temporary. Once again, this is my view. Please make your own views and take your own decisions. Don't go by what I'm saying. I'm just giving my views. I'm just sharing my views. There we are. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty has have shot up after initial struggle, but if you see in the larger time frame, where are they? And that needs to be understood. 24478. Nifty has to sustain above 24,608 for us to get something meaningful on the upside. So far, it has not broken down, but the strength is missing. This looks like a big move on a 3 minute chart, but actually, this is good for morning trade, but it is not a great move. Good for morning trade, no doubt about it. So 24443 is still holding out for now. Interesting. 24479 is yesterday's close approximately, and it is trying to capture that. Spot chart की बात कर रहा हूँ. Now I'm back on the futures chart, and as you can see, all the happiness seems to be missing out now. Tough time. Scientific evidence is indicating something else. 25 point SL hit in Perfectly fine here. छोटा सा SL है. That's okay. Even if you get 10, 5 SLs out of 10, the balance file will easily make you small. Bank Nifty and Nifty both have lost all the so-called blast that they achieved, and they trapped a lot of people on the call side. They're back in the first 3 minutes range, both of them. As I said, these moves can sometimes be very, very deceptive. Look at this. ये गैप बना के नीचे गिरा है अगली कैंडल. In 3 minutes, there is created a gap. It is most likely going to fill this gap. But then, if this is a gap and it sustains, that is a clear cut indication where we are headed. You need not be a rocket scientist to figure out that if the gap is persisting and not getting filled, then मौसम खराब हो चुका है. Oh, and the fall is accelerating now. Oh my God. Look at a beautiful deceptive move in the 9:33 candle of 3 minutes. Both indices. What a fantastic way to deceive you guys. And the move is on the downside. Rekha, you have captured 100 points in Bank Nifty call. Wow. Huh? Yeah, Bank Nifty put. I was wondering that probably you were very, very precise in entering the blast. It is easy to go in the side of the move. Pramod, you rock man. 166 points captured in Bank Nifty. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. और मजे की बात यह है कि कहानी अभी शुरू हुई है. If you have not gone through my trade plan of last night, you are missing big time. Sandeep, Bank is in green, 53 points captured in Nifty, net 30 points green. Okay, good, good. बढ़िया है. Rutvik got 120 points in Bank Nifty puts. Rockstar है यार. भाई Rutvik. Rutvik is from the second batch of the Go Green. They know exactly how to interpret and take a decision. Thank you so much, Pramod. Very kind words. If my trade plan is helping you guys, informing the view, and I've given all the logics, all the finer details when I made the trade plan for you guys past midnight. If I'm making taking pains to make a trade plan, all that you need to do is invest 10 minutes to go through it. Bharat, 18 points in Nifty puts, perfectly fine. This will go up when you learn which index and when. Bharat has already shown his intention to sign up for the Go Green 7th batch, and the link is already shared in the video as well as in the live here. Anyone who's keen on learning can fill up the sign up, interest sign up. The details will be shared as and when things get finalized. Very good. 9:43, and look at what people are doing today. I wish I could tell you what to do exactly, but I don't want to give out any calls. You'll understand and appreciate that I do not want to be on the wrong side of the law. I can't give out calls, but it is so simple to figure out what to do today. 6:40. I'm expecting a 2x return today. 2x. Money to be doubled today. Whatever is invested in the trade should double today. Can't say more than that. Ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget to click on the to click on the like, subscribe, share. Let your friends also make money with the views. I'm creating very high quality content for you so that you can figure out. Just stopping just short of giving a call, I'm giving you everything that I know. Karthik, to 36 points captured, 50% holding, rest at TSL cost. Karthik, there is a reason why you are different from many others. Just stay humble, but then you're doing very well, and I'm so proud of you. I won't be surprised if you have a 500 plus point capture today. Guys, if you've already made money, if you're already in green, even if you got 10 points, please stay out of the market. There will be wild swings, and whatever you have made will be given back to the market. So please be very, very careful. Very, very careful. It doesn't work vertically. दूसरे के महलों को देख करके अपने छप्पर में आग नहीं लगाई जाती, अपनी झोपड़ी में. Be very clear. I know there are people capturing a lot of points, but then whatever you have made, learn to be content and try to get better step by step. And if you are not watching the trade plan, you're missing out big time. Can we have some likes on this live stream as well as subscribe, share in case you are new? Let this quality content reach the right and far bigger audience. I'm just doing my bit, Karthik. You guys are the ones who are picking up what I'm saying and imbibing it in your trades. Karthik is from the fourth batch of Go Green and has been able to pick up some of the biggest moves, including 1,000 plus moves more than once. It's like Virender Sehwag making a triple ton, and that too more than once. Good going, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, very good. I think some bit of pause here before the further down move. I'm expecting Bank Nifty to move down. Even if there is a temporary move up, I do not have any great hopes of a big up move. In fact, the first hour candle, wherever it closes, will define the rest of the day. And the tone is bearish. Matter ends. If you see it in the hourly chart here, look at the hourly chart here. This is the first hour's candle in formation, which will define the tone for the day. What are you seeing? Solid red. There is a spike on the upside, which means clear cut there was a selling here. No one is interested in buying. यहाँ पे भी आपको दिख रहा है. If you have to just, I need to just hide this so that you can see this more clearly. Yeah, this is the first hour's Bank Nifty candle. What do you see? Big spike on the upside, which means there was an intent to go up, but bears have taken charge. And the moment it falls below yesterday's low, ये लो ब्रेक होने के बाद you can see a blast in your puts. But it's important to understand when to enter. Otherwise, despite knowing the direction, you will not make money. And for that, you need to learn. You may have the best Mercedes or the best aircraft, but then unless you learn, you can't do anything with it. Time is 9:50. We will stop looking at the 3-minute candles. We will look at the multi-time frame charts now. This is the scenario. On the daily charts in Nifty, we are seeing a down move. On the hourly chart, we are seeing a down move. On the 15-minute chart, we are seeing a consistent down move. It's right now taking support at 24378 and therefore expect some kind of a pause or even green in the next candle, and that's fine. That doesn't mean the direction has changed. The direction is still down. This upswing that started here has peaked here, and now it's on its way down. ये छोटे छोटे up move or down move and green color candles will show up in between, but it's going to go down. And if 378 breaks, your first target would be 326, followed by 269, and then 074, yesterday's low, as far as Nifty is concerned. Unless there is a place where the trend reversal happens, abhi tak there is no sign of uptrend. The signs will first show up in the 5 minutes charts and then 25 and then 15 minutes charts. If it sustain, it will go to the 1 hour, but unlikely. 1 hour is giving a clear idea that it is not interested in going up. This is Nifty. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty may it's trying its level best, but has already had already started challenging the low of the first 5 minutes candle. The price action that was expected to work for Bank Nifty at 3 p.m. yesterday did not work out. So there we are. Bank Nifty is at a support here at 51489, and therefore it's not falling as fast. But if once this breaks and 342 breaks, which is yesterday's low, the fall can be steep and sharp. So abhi Bank Nifty may take a small pause here or even show a slight up move, which could be visible easily in the 5 minute charts. When the up move gets exhausted, that is when you need to take the entry in case you haven't taken the trade so far. Do not re-enter if you've already made money or lost money. Matter ends. You have not been able to understand the market. Do not play video game with your money. As expected, did I say that you'll see some kind of an up move? You have to wait for this up move to fizzle out and then enter the positions on the downside. I've given you the reading of the market. I've given you the logic behind it, the scientific evidence, and why should we be positioned in a direction that I've explained in the trade plan last night. If you haven't gone through it, please go through it. Find time next 15-20 minutes, whatever time you have, and go through it. And if you've already gone through it, revise it because it will give you a lot of hints and learnings that you can carry in your future trades. 5 minutes before we close the day for the morning trade and this live session, may I humbly request everyone to please like this live session, subscribe, and share the link for the YouTube. And especially with the ones you know in your network, there are people who desperately need to learn, but they are probably very adamant to figure out that they need to learn. They don't know how badly they need to learn. ये आप ही बताएंगे उनको. Thank you in advance for your cooperation, support, for the quality intent content that I'm making. Hope my views and my ideas are helping you in your trades. Remember, today being Wednesday is the Bank Nifty expiry. Tomorrow is the Nifty expiry. We can expect volatility. The ups and downs can probably have too many SLs hitting your trades. First, understand the DNA of the market and then trade. Is your trade still running, Kenny? Um, you said you're booked partially. I just saw your message. Pramod has written Dukan Band for the day. Yeah, that's what you need to do. जब हो गया तो हो गया. Trailing SL hit, perfectly fine. Did you capture some points, Kenny? 160, fantastic. You should write what you have captured. Wonderful. Great job. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's almost 10 o'clock. Time for me to wind up and get busy with my life. Wish you a great day. Happy and positive and green day. Do not overtrade. Have control on your emotions. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, everyone. Wish you a great day. Bye bye.